Hi, I'm Rob Whitney from Whitney Mitchell Real Estate. I'm at number 29 Sawmill Road. If privacy is in your mind, this property is definitely got to be on your list. Come with me now and have a look through it. You will sense the peace the moment you see this property. This very private family home is set in Dundowran Beach, sought after area of Hervey Bay. This gourmet kitchen is spacious, with high ceilings, quality light fittings and LED light features throughout. A quality tiled open plan space as you look through the landscape gardens. There is a complete separate media room or lounge room, your choice. 4 large bedrooms, the main with ensuite and walk-in robe. Plenty of room for an in-ground pool if you wish. There's a large 2-bay lock-up garage separate from the house, plus plenty of room to store that boat, caravan or both. Easy walking distance to Dundowran Beach, close to the shops and also on the local bus route. Well, there we are. You've been through this great property. The owners want immediate action. For your private inspection, contact me, Rob Whitney at Whitney Mitchell Real Estate.